So in this section of the notes, we are going to use what we know about transformations of exponential functions. We are going to first identify the parent function, and then we are going to describe the transformations. So let's look at example number 1. So you see here we have f of x equals 3 to the x plus 5. So if we took off all the transformations, our parent function would be f of x equals 3 to the x. Now, we are going to identify the transformations. So the only transformation we see here is plus 5, and that's in the k position, which shows me that k is a vertical shift. So this is shifting up 5. All right, let's take a look at example B. So example B, we see that the base for example B is 1/4. So our parent function for that one is going to be f of x equals 1/4 to the x power. And we can see a couple of different things happening here. We have a 2 out front, and we have a -1 up in the exponent section. And the 2 out front is in the a position, so we know that a is going to represent a vertical stretch when it's greater than 1. So we have a vertical stretch by a factor of 2. And we also see this +1 up here is in the position of h. So that's a horizontal shift. And since it's -1, it's going to shift right 1. Example 3. First thing we look at is our base, which is 4/3. And that would make our parent function f of x equals 4/3 to the x. Now we have 3 different transformations here. We have one here, here, and here. So the transformation out in the very front is a -a. So we have a reflection across the x-axis. The little +2 is in the h position, and since it's a plus, we see it shifts left 2. And then the +7 is in the k position, and since it's a plus, we see that it shifts up 7. And then we have our very last example in this section. The base is 5. See how it's directly connected to that little exponent of x. So the parent function here is f of x equals 5 to the x. And we have a bunch of things going on here. We have a transformation here, here, and here. So the transformation out front with the 1/2 is in the a position, and that's between 0 and 1. So we have a vertical compression by a factor of 1/2. The -4 is in the position of h, and so that shifts right 4. And then the -2 is in the position of k, so that shifts down 2.